Okay, so this question's got a star, so we need some words to explain what we're doing. So let's have a look what it's all about. It's saying to us that we've got some vectors, and it's telling us that m is the midpoint. So if that's the midpoint, then this bit here must also be m. And if that's n and n is the midpoint, then this bit also must be n. And of course the arrows are telling us the direction of the vector, so it's important we keep that correct. And it asks us to show that AB is parallel to mn. So in other words, they're saying the direction is m to n, and they're saying the direction is a to b. So the arrows will be going in that way. So let's work out what the vectors are. So m to n, well, the journey we would take is to go back to O. So m to n is mo plus on, and mo is going against the arrow, so that's going to be negative m, and O to n is positive n. Vectors, it's neater if we put the negatives last, so we just swap that about to be n take away n, n take away m, sorry. So that's what mn is. It asks us to compare AB. So AB is the journey from A to O plus O to B. So it's A to O, so let's get the right way around, plus O to B. We could have gone A to M, M to N, N to B. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to go that way around. Just makes it a little bit more straightforward to see what's going on. So A to O is going against the arrow, so that's going to be negative 2m, and O to N, O to B is going to be plus 2n. Again, put the negative last, so 2n take away 2m. And what we should realise here is a common factor, so it's nice to take that common factor out and then rewrite the vector. So we've got the two vectors, and what we can see is that n take away m is common to both vectors. It's a common factor. So because this is a proof question and it wants you to show that AB is parallel, well, if two vectors have the same common factor, then they must be parallel. So basically we can say AB is parallel to mn because it is twice the vector mn with a common factor of n take away m. So that's how to show that those two are parallel, is because parallel vectors will have a common factor, and we can see that AB then must be just twice the length of mn, and because it's a multiple of n take away m, then they're both parallel to each other. Just one's twice as long as the other.